Today we paint small flowers in watercolor with Picture Up Creative Space. Start painting a little square. Move your brush up and down. Paint 4 opposite each other. Every petal should look a little bit different, so it makes it more natural. Instead of 4 petals, paint only 3 for a little bud. Or do 5, just how you feel like. These little don't forget me flowers are fun to paint and really great when you want to fill up empty space in between big flowers in a flower bouquet or flower arrangement. Next step, we add some yellow in the middle of the flower. For the stems, we draw fine lines from each flower. I use green mixed with a little bit of brown or grey, mixing a more natural green. Try to connect a few of the stems. Give them a little bit of a curve. Now start drawing in little leaves. A little stroke, or put together fine little strokes for really fine leafy leaves. Paint a few thicker leaves. Just put on more pressure when you paint the leaf. Fill up the white space with little fine leaves. Put them where you think they look good. For the last step, we take gel pens. Glitter gel pens look really nice. We go around the edges of the blue flowers. Do it loose. Don't think too much when you paint along. Paint little strokes into the leaves so they look more interesting and glittery. So easy and quick to paint. Try it yourself. Take your brush and colors and paint along. Hope you enjoyed this video. There are more flowers to paint. Have a look on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.